everyone is saying Guru Gaurav Buddhi, meanings Guru's for all time respect will be too much. Otherwise, coming Marta Buddhi, meaning mundane, like then is problem. No respect for Gurudev, then they are thinking Gurudev is ordinary, mundane like me. Then they lost everything. Like Brajabhumi, everybody like Krishna is my Sakha, friends, everything. Outside they cannot showing like respect. But they have this strong faith and love for Krishna. This mundane world, anybody with his friendship, that this friendship time, all time thinking, my understanding, my thinking is not too less to my friends. I am equal to friends, I am great. All time try to repeating and controlling on friends. Then is telling you are my good friend, you following me and then. But not following, then say you are not my friends. This is, in this world is world level people conception. But they are different things. Friendship meanings, bandhav meanings, bandhu meanings, he is my all future and my life, my everything for. He is thinking, he is take responsibility, he is take care of me, maintaining me. They have complete faith. Like Sakhajar, Agasur is laying in this road, big like cave. His tongue is like his soft carpet, and two sides is street, like his road side is some pillars. Nice gate. They say this cave is very nice. Color is very nice and very soft carpet. Walking, going, oh very nice. They are fearless. Why? They are faith. Krishna is protecting. Krishna is very great. And Krishna powerful. They have this understanding. But sometimes they telling, how are you great? You are not great to me. I am great to you. Come fighting with me, wrestling with me, wrestling, fighting, then the debating. But everything after also they have love for Krishna, faith for Krishna. So this world, people is like close to him, near to him, and dear to him. But how? Complete faith for him and then. Now, no faith for him. Thinking, oh, doctor protecting me, yeah, any other, they are helping me. Everything for or idea. But Sakhajar never thinking. Arjun, Sakha, but he has no faith for Krishna, complete. He is telling Krishna, driving my car, take care of my horse, taking my car in middle battle place between two parties, everything telling. But after he is lost his everything. Within Krishna, then why hopeless? He said, my brain not working, my body is now restless, I am lost, everything. What is right, wrong, I can understand. Please you helping me. Why this position comes? Jiva all are independent. Conditioned soul mostly. They have no faith for on Guru Padma. They like any others. They meeting any others with this, respecting, talking, helping for, they praying. But they have no faith for Gurudev. Therefore, saying Guru for his Gaurav Buddhi, respect. And then, slow and slow, with respect, getting relation, faith coming, and then deep faith, after his love is coming to him, flow is coming. After eternal world, this eternal love with is, they are by pulled, by chain, like is going, they are meeting, they will be present there. Then also they have respect for Guru Padma. Then understanding, he is my good friend, but respect is not lost, faith not lost. Not thinking I am great to him. They have overpower love. Jastamata has love. Brajdevi has love. But that not meanings I am too great, he is nothing. This understanding never coming. Like giving Gurudev example. 100 rupees inside is 99 rupees, then is 99 recurring 9, then is 100 rupees value. But note, inside is not other rupees and coins, then nothing. So Gurudev has all type of opulence, Aishwarya. Is how Vetti Vidyam Avidyansya Bhutanam Agatim Gatim Utpatti Pralayasya Savachya Bhagavan iti. Two types of God. He is giving this his special qualities expression. One is Aishwaryasya Virjasya Jasasya Sriya Jnana Vairagyasya Sannang Bhavaitingana. This is Vishaya Jatiya Bhagavan, Godhead. Asya Jatiya Bhagavan, Guru Padma. He is also near to Lord. And like God has all qualities, Gurudev has also these 6 limbs. They are telling Vetti Vidyam Avidyansya. What is Paravidya? What is Avidya? What Maya? What is Swarup Shakti? Vetti Vidyam Avidyansya Bhutanam Agatim Gati. How is Jiva getting liberation? And how is Jiva fallen down? He has knowledge. He knows everything. No meanings. His Jiva's giving these chances and position. How can they get liberation? He is telling Jivas not only how can Jiva understanding and realizing, oh, I am now fallen soul. My all understanding useless. This realization not come, they cannot follow in Guru Padma, not believe in Guru Padma. Paravidya, Gurudev is giving. And Jalavidya, mundane knowledge, is useless, not working. that world, they no value these things for. This is like is making crazy and mad this knowledge in this world. Prouds is coming, false prouds. No realization coming. Only making hard and rock. Very proud. But that word, Paravidya, Vidya Advati Vinayam, making soft and sweet, humble, and they are realization coming and the feelings coming. Prouds never coming and not staying. The Gurudev first is, he was giving this Vidya and Avidya, knowledge. After Utpatti Pralaya. And how can destroy everything? How can creating? Meanings, I am getting soul, birth, Swarup Siddhi, Vastu Siddhi. And why Jiva is going down to down? And how can they crossing Maya? Everything Gurudev knows. All Jivas Gurudev giving. Then Jiva understanding, oh, how is my Gurudev? They are not understanding, then thinking, Lokik Sadbandhuvat, that meanings never understand. How he is helpful, how he is kind and merciful, how are his thinking about us. Jiva not understand. Why? Mundane knowledge there. There is rock, now, heart, brain is deeply within Maya, all time correcting this science, biology, geology, ontology, morphology, and story, history, geography, algebra, Elizabeth, Baba, geometry, mathematics, arithmetic, how many things, you know? Now is MBA, BBA, BCA, after BTech, MTech, many doctorate, and telling this word, all are now frauds. I am now PhD. I am now delete. My Goswamis are, they are gone is university for PhD and delete for Krishna giving PhD. Yeah, Radharani giving PhD. This is our qualification. Bogus. Telling people, cheating people. This is proud, false proud. Making raw, no humble, no sweet, no respectful, no faithful, no crying for Gurudev, no tears is coming, heart is not melting. How is you are friends of Guru? Guru giving what? This Viprambha. I am million life lost and far away to God and God person, God family. I am running. Where? In Maya, jumping. I am learned, I am qualified, but why not you cross in Maya? Why your senses with this, you have more and more deep attachment relation. Bungalow, house, car, respect, name and fame, popularity for jumping. This is called bhajan, this is called Guru's followers, this is called disciples. Who are you? Then giving Facebook own identity. Now I am PhD. I am doctorate. I am scientist. I am an engineer. What is your engine? Where is running? What taking in you? Your engine? Engine here. Gear. Where going? Where are your footsteps? In Maya? Suffering? Or you were cheating? This is not Sadguru's teaching. Then know you friends of Guru. Guru making offense, then you realizing. Or say person with this, you are crying and weeping, like Madhavendra Puri. He not showing, I am doctorate, PhD. He is telling, Oi Dinodayadra Natha, He Muthra Natha, Kada Balakase, Ridang Tadalok Katram, Dvaita Brahmati, Kim Karamam. Mahaprabhu saying, Oi Nanda Tanuja Kinkaram, Patirang Mang Visame Bhavambudo, Kripaya Siddhuri Sadisham Mang Vichinna. On shortness, on weakness, on faults and guilties, on everything, realization coming, feelings coming, and life to life and lost, the feelings realizing, how can I am progressing? Then he is following footsteps of all Bhakta devotees, Vaishnavas, Goswamis. He is praying, Prachiranam, Bhajanam Atulam, Sinnatam Duskaram. Oh, how is my senior Goswamis, previous Acharyas, how they are doing bhajan? What I am doing, not bhajan for desire. Sankhya Purvaka Namagana, no time. This is not feelings and not following, then they are watching cricket match. They have all facility for TV and all. Gurudev, Guru Bhogi, Gurudev blood is stealing like and taking, and big building, big memorial hall, assembly, but now cricket tournaments. Game. This is Gurudev followers. This is their realization. With relation with Gurudev, nonsense. They are telling I am friends of Guru. Therefore, Guru Gora Buddhi respect, then is faith coming. And faith, then is Gurudev for love coming. And that love, respectfully, faithfully, and then that Guru Padma service for desire, and pray, and his flow it is, then watching. Darkness place to then light is coming. Then they are understanding. How is doing sadhana. Then nearby Gurudev, then Naam for, Harinam for, Krishna Naam for, desire coming. Then Prasdev Vijar, Gurudev all time saying, 2 verses, this, they cannot understand, not learning, not following, they are not my disciples. One is Amnaya Prabhutattam, another one, he say, hey, Aradhya Bhagavan Brajasuttanaya, Stadhama Vrindavana, Ramya Kachit Upasana Brajavutu Vargena Jakalpita, Srimad Bhagavatam Pramanam Alam Prema Pumartha Mahan. This is Mahaprabhu's desire, Gurudev desire, Ramya Kachit Upasana. But now I have no love for Vrindavan, I have no love for Brajendranadan, I have love for my own choiceful. This movie and TV. Game and this play. Then I am nearby Gurudev, yeah, against of Gurudev. I am watching Maya, I am jumping of Maya, then I am enemy of Gurudev, against of Gurudev. How I am telling? No respect. Not tight following Gurudev footsteps. I am following my own choice. I am useless, bogus. I am also cheating myself, cheating many others. This is now criminal, cruel criminal. They are destroyed for, they come Guru Bhogi. Gurudev giving all facility, giving chances, own lab. He is take care, maintaining, I am taking chance. Like ocean going, this big ship, then there is attracting animals. His many nails, he is catching this ship big and making hole and pulling it down. Like now, this brain of animal brain. Like Africa jungle, many tree, green tree. Elephant is coming, sitting, standing, then this tail branch is coming and stroking. And after, catching. And like glue, and after going inside these trees or hook, and all blood, everything is drinking, taking. Elephant has no strength and going for here and there. Finish. So our now like his position. But no possible is touching Gurudev and Vaishnavas. They are very far away. They are not friends. They are not try and ends. They are very clever. They are half of you. Your brain, your nature, your character. Now, teaching in you. And keeping distance to Guru Varga. Therefore, you promise, you serious, you try to take shelter and surrender his footstep for following for desire. Then his flow, his line, everything is understanding. Weak I know. Gurudev know. But chances giving, following for his footsteps, changing for nature. But I cannot change. All facility, then I am making there is enjoy for my choiceful center. Then automatic this will be lost. Gurudev not happy and pleased. Then destroy, all breaking, everything then lost. Vaishnava aparad, Guru avagya, sadhu ninda, then Guru avagya. Sadhus are protecting all time. And they are teaching Guru Seva for, Guru Bhakti for. You are insulting sadhus, then automatically you are disobeying Gurudev. Not following that Gurudev. Gurudev has everything. Now all are trying to enjoying Gurudev. This is not friendship. Guru Papa for like God. Same respect is only. And we faith for Guru Maharaj. Then understanding. And then everything for if desire coming. Guru Mantra and Harinam, Hariseva, Dham Seva, Mahaprasad, everything for Vaishnavas, Bhaktas, devotees, very easy thing. Otherwise, Vaishnava Parad, very dangerous things. Vaishnava forgiving, by Vaishnava Charandhuli not forgiving. They are very dangerous. You are disobey Vaishnavas and Guru Varga, then thinking, okay, they forgive me. But the Charandhuli meanings, they are nearby, close to him, they are very dangerous. They are never forgiven. Then his life will be very hard. Therefore, very seriously. following Guru Bhagwan's footsteps. Then understanding. How is our friends? All moments, how is protecting and helping. He is arranging, he is calling, inviting. Now, all meeting, he is arranging. This is not our capacity. Calling anybody, coming and staying and impossible. One family, this room, staying, but not will be everybody together. Sometime meeting time, dance, drama, dum dum, dim dim, dum dum, then sitting, eating, pasta, pasta, burger, chowmein, noodles, this and that. After, your room, my room, separate. Phone, and then they agree, then come in. But here no need any things. That means not you are now as you choice you doing. No instruction, no information, no rule regulations. I am now independent. My choiceful, I am everything doing. Then I am animal. Then catch you, Mayadevi, sending you Spain, bullfight. Then understand. Mayadevi poking with his sword. You are bull, independent, then Mayadevi poking. Very thin, this, one by one. Then rest is suffering here and there. Nobody protecting them. These chances is not all time is available. Now good opportunity, good chance, but no continuous chanting Harinam, no seva, no following Guru Padma, no separation, but enjoy for opening hotel and motel center. Then Mayadevi giving good presentation. Then realization coming. After Swami Maharaj disappears, then many Acharya. And what are they doing? Sitting nice seats, gold seats, chamar, peacock feathers, washing feet, big pot, charnamrita. They are one time Italian cook, one time African cook, one time Spain cook. Opening box, they are attaching very scent, perfume, and this iPhone, earphone, cordless, modless, cordless, many things. But after Mayadevi say, yes, you are my everything is taking, then you come my lap. How long you distance to me? Then say, my wife is Radha, my son is Prabhupada. Other everything is Badha. Then go on next, the hotel business. But my Goswamis are telling, Sankhya Purvaka Namagano. Day and night, you are playing game. This good opportunity Gurudev giving. Therefore this temple and building. This is our friend. Taking prasadam. Free. No need begging door to door and collecting. Therefore Gurudev giving these chances. Now toilet washing for also servant. Everything, all facility. But you chant Harinam. Remembering Gurudev, following Gurudev, footstep, Gurudev all service for your desire. Palaite patnai, joma se biche. We will be ready to suffering for, punishment for. Ready. Not too much time. Otherwise, seriously, chanting Harinam. Chanting Guru Mantra. Waking Brahma Murta. Coming Mangalarti. Now, night time, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, movie. Then how can come Mangalarti? Why come nonsense all? Destroy for Gurudev mission? This is not your mission. This is Guru Padma society. No following Gurudev rule regulations, then no make wait, get out. This is good for no more punishment coming than Mahadevi not giving punishment. No Mangalarti, nobody giving any punishment and no rule regulations. No Harinam, no Tilak, no Guru Mantra, no Guru Seva. What is the matter? They are following Gurudev. They are for this, friends. Oh, I am friends of Gurudev, and Gurudev not telling anything. Gurudev like your footstep followers and washing your feet. They are for inviting. But this is training center. Also this one, our meditation and our austerity tapasya for, sadhana for center. Sadhak not doing sadhana, then there is useless. Carrying this body, like in this body, like your mind, like your senses, then therefore is hellish plant is too much good. Therefore, waiting. Soon waiting. In my life I am watching many things. After Sai Maharaj, after Param Gurudev, I am many things looking. No bhajan line following, then quickly run away. Much better. Otherwise, you thinking good opportunity, good facility, good chance, then chance is coming with interest. Not double, triple, million time interest with is coming. Then realization coming. Smashing Mahadevi how, and also catching and holding, then understanding. No Harinam, Gurudev telling, anybody without Harinam you are drinking water and eating, without Mangalarati your life is maintaining. Gurudev giving order, any book says writing, every day watching movie, nonsense. Blood drinking Gurudev, bogus, rascal all. This writing his books, game for this temple, cinema movie for, therefore this laptop and iPhone, destroy for own self not only, thousand, million life gone, now more going hellish plant. No separation for Guru Padma, no his service for desire, no following for footstep desire, but only enjoy for desire. Why present here? But this punishment is not too easy. Gurudev very kind, try to forgiving many times, but this forgiveness very painful coming. This is very bad for us. He himself no room. He appears for no room, but room for enjoy for room. What is the matter? Therefore, try to follow Guru Padma's Gurudev doing like this. Gurudev watching cricket. He looking this movie. How they are serving on Gurudev. How following this line. Last of day also. This is not thinking about Gurudev. Thinking definitely coming Gurudev goodness and qualities. You not following Guru Padma, then who is your Gurudev? Your mind and senses, then follow them, go with them. Therefore, all time, Guru, Gaurav Buddhi, respectful, faithful, loveful, How can I am following? His desire fulfilling, that will be serious. Every day, without Guru Mantra, they are teaching us not drinking water. Mahaprabhu giving strong instruction. Without Harinam, nothing doing. So this is not our line and parampara. Therefore this nonsense or idea or brain. This Gurudev appears day and disappears day. Yeah, his near caller. How can will be proper his discipline followers? Therefore will be serious. Then soon you looking, I am not distanced to Gurudev. Why feeling? I am distanced to Gurudev. I don't follow his footsteps. I am distanced to him. I am following my nature, senses. Then I am distanced to Gurudev. Then I am running here and there. This is not feeling. I am asking my Guru Maharaj, they are taking, anywhere going, one pictures of Param Gurudev, one Radha Vinod Bihari. They are going, first they are putting this, after they are offering pranam and making asana, and then they are sitting, yes, sleeping. They are eating, anything to do. Everywhere, anywhere they are all following this Bhakti's rule regulations. And our near now, bus, this iPod, then watching. They are not chanting, then taking out. Own Guru. What Guru? Movie Guru. Game Guru. This is called disciple. Therefore very serious will be. Then realization coming, feelings coming, vipralamba mood coming, bhajan starting. Then looking, Guru Padma how is kind, how is helpful. Okay, next is hearing, next time we will go to Monday.